Touch Trust was established over 12 years ago by Dilys Price, and Dilys Price is a lovely lady who really truly believed in movement as an art form and the ability to communicate and to alleviate frustrations, and her passion was in working with people with disabilities. So at the Touch Trust we deliver music, art sessions, touch therapy sessions for people with profound and multiple learning difficulties. We work with babies all the way up to people with Alzheimer's and dementia. We believe that no matter the disability, people have abilities, and we make sure that we celebrate those abilities at the Touch Trust. And one thing that is very profound here is that the amount of memories somebody with a disability is able to build because of the amount of services or places they're able to access. And we want to nurture the family to ensure that they're able to keep hold of some of those memories. So we'll use the grant to work with the carer, the unpaid carer, sorry, and the guests that we have here to share stories and build something in an art form that's tangible, that somebody that's blind or somebody with profound multiple learning difficulties can feel and remember and recall that memory, so it becomes as close to them as it does to their family as a whole. The grant will make a huge difference for our guests. Like I said, the ability to access lots of services that mainstream children and adults will be able to access to achieve such a goal are very few and far between. So for them it's going to have a massive impact on their quality of life and well-being to be able to share a story, nurture a story, and hear that story over and over and over again, and know that that one thing that they have made with their unpaid care will be one of the only things that they may ever make in their life. And for the family, that again instills this sense of celebration and this sense of warmth, because they're able to put it on a windowsill and know that the person that they are with and they are caring for, they may have been told by many systems that they are not going to achieve a lot, have achieved this something that that carer can hold and keep for the rest of their lives.